Hey everybody, Tim Furlong coming back at you for my quarter turns. It's that time of year where we're all doing some spring cleaning, whether it's at our homes or in our businesses. We're getting rid of the old stuff so that we can bring in the new and renew like we do in the spring. So I thought this would be a great time to do a mental spring cleaning as well and see if we can re-energize ourselves in our businesses and outside of our businesses. So let's get going. Number one, start with your habits. What are those old, outdated habits that you have clung to and you still won't let go of because, well, that's just the way I've always done it? Look, we got to get rid of that mentality and think about the way we're going to do it. I think a lot of times we hold on to old habits, like think of an old computer, that's sitting around your house. It's still operating on Windows 95. You would never try to operate your business on an old computer like that, but we hold on to habits that are even older and they're just not working for us. So let's remove some of those habits. Maybe they worked for us at the time, but now we've got to upgrade so that we can renew into the spring and get some better outcomes. Number two, belief systems. What are those limiting belief systems that have kept you from achieving at the level you would like to? In leadership, I would say, were you unwilling to let go of some control? Okay? Do you have to micromanage people? Do you have an inability to delegate tasks because you're really good at them? That's stifling your growth and it's stifling your team's growth. So ask yourself, what are the belief systems that you've clung to that you need to get rid of and create some new ones to energize yourself here in your spring cleaning? Number three, what's motivating you these days? We all need that little extra oomph. We need something to kind of recharge and reignite ourselves. So what are you doing for that? Are you reading something new? Have you found a new podcast? Are you watching something? Who have you latched onto in or outside of the business to coach or mentor you? Go attend a conference or a seminar. Anything that's going to light that fire and get you back into the game and be motivated as we power through the spring. And next, what are you doing to organize your business and your life? What systems have you created? Are you sticking to a schedule? Do you have a calendar? Have you created an ideal day and an ideal week? And are you holding yourself accountable to that? What does your email inbox look like? Right? These are ways that you can do some spring cleaning. Clear that out. Create the systems and process, or just stick to the ones that you know work so that you can re-engage here as we get into the spring and do your own little spring cleaning. Right? So until next time, here's to you and your continued success and doing a little mental spring cleaning, one quarter turn at a time.